Welcome back to part 2 of our shed build. Today we're going to be creating shelves on the inside for storage while reviewing and using this HYCHIKA drill. This comes with the drill itself. It comes with a 20-volt battery as well as the charger for that battery and all of these bits, which is really nice. And this is a belt clip so we use the HYCHIKA drill to attach these with 3-inch screws. And some initial thoughts on using this drill is my husband and I agree. We really don't have any complaints. It was able to keep up as far as the battery life and as far as the power that we needed to create these shelves. It is at a great price point, and if you're looking to build your toolkit, I highly recommend checking them out. We went ahead and repeated the exact same process for the top shelf, secured everything, and this is what we are left with. We're so happy to have this additional storage for all of our smaller things that we need for the yard, and make sure that you come back for part 3 and the big reveal.